And now the scary part is doing the figure. So let's see what we can do here. And I think if I get his head about right, so what's the distance from here to here? I think about here. And the young man's head, the boat intersects his head visually a little bit, not quite on center. So let's go something like this. There's his curve his head. So the distance of his head from here to here, if I reproduce that, that's one head length, maybe 1.5 heads in his body. So I'm going to go, this is his head. There's that orbital socket where his eye would be. We're looking at this side. Cheek comes out a little bit, goes down. So drawing that cheek slightly angled, that is not straight down. So that's a real subtle thing, but that's what we have to deal with. Something like that. And then his jawline comes in. And then he has a neck, of course. So this shape, something like this. We don't want the head to be too thin. We want the width to be the correct width in proportion to the height. So this is what I'm doing now, and what you should be doing too. Okay, and his skull comes in here a little bit. Then he's got a neck, of course. So let's see if this is looking about right.